Hello everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore, and today I have some super cute cards to share with you. These are window cards. I'm not exactly sure what the name of it is. I'm just calling it a window card because it opens and it has the little window inside there. And this is, guess what stamp set I'm using? Yes, again, I'm using the Nothing's Better Than. I can't get enough of this. I keep picking it back up, and I thought this would be a super cute set to put in like a little gift box. It'd be so cute to have all of these, and each one says today is this is a cocktails day, this one's a cookie kind of day, this one is a chocolate kind of day, and this is a coffee kind of day. But aren't they so cute? I really love these, and I've actually put in like little sentiments from the same stamp set in here. But it's so cute, and I'm going to show you this one. The rest of them you can go ahead and just copy. They're super easy to do. I just stamped and colored and just used whatever colors you wanted. These happen to all be in the Brights collection. It would take me quite a long time to show you each one. So I just want to show you how they're made. And I'm going to show you this one because I thought that the little cocktail was super cute using the two different colors. And I actually got that idea from Stampin'Up. They had one in the catalog that had both colors on it, and I thought it was super cute. So you can see it right there. So I thought I'd do this one because you've seen a lot of the cookie. I've done a couple cookie boxes. I've done a chocolate box, and I've done one with coffee. I'm not sure if I did that for my newsletter subscribers or if that was one I did on my regular channels. But anyway, I've used just about every one of these now. And this one, I actually stamped two of the cookies, and I did mask the top one and then stamp over it so that I had two cookies on here because I thought the two cookies filled the space better than just one cookie there. So anyway, this is what I'm sharing today, and I'm going to share this one, and so it's going to show you how to make this complete set. Alright, let's get started. You do need a piece of thick whisper white. That's what I'm using for this. This one is 5.5 by 4 1/4. You need a piece to mat it, and that piece is 5 1/4 by 4. You're going to need another piece. I did mat the insides of each one, and this is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 1/4 for the inside. Then for the sentiment, this is 1 by 4 for the front, for our sentiment. And then you need a piece of, this is Mango Melody. This one is Melon Mambo. So we need a piece of Mango Melody. This is to cut our little scallop out of our circle dies. And then this Whisper White is to stamp our little cocktail on and cut it with our layering dies. So I am using the layering circles for this, and these are the three that I'm using. So I'm going to tell you the sizes of these. So the largest one to cut the circle out of the front is 2 3/4 inches round. Then this one's 2 1/2, and then the scallop is 2 about 2 3/4 also. Alright, so let's keep those out. We're going to first layer on our mat so that we can cut our circle out of here. So I'm just going to use some of our Stamp and Seal. I'm going to use the plus on this. And you do have to have, I found a trick that you do have to have a very light touch with these new adhesives, and I love them. I love the strength of them. Like I said, if you get it down, especially the plus, it's going to stay there. And so far, all my boxes that I've done have stayed together really nicely. So we're going to use the largest circle, and we're going to cut our whole in the front for our window. Now, one thing, I'm going to probably have to bring the big shot up a couple times. Maybe not. Maybe we'll just go ahead and be able to cut all our pieces beforehand. So let's go ahead. Maybe we can do these all at once. So when you're cutting this, you want to make sure it's centered. And it's really important because it's really going to make a difference in how your window looks in here. So you want to make sure it's centered as best as possible, and then you're just going to run it through the big shot. And always keep this little piece, this inside piece, because this can definitely be used on another card. In fact, I have quite a few since I've done a couple cards. I may be using this in a future card. All right, so there is the window of our card. So I'm going to grab some Whisper White, and I'm going to cut out our circle and our scallop. And then let's see if I could fit on my thing that says cocktail. Oh, here it is. I already took it out. One thing about this, make sure when you run this through that you do get your little eye off of the cocktails. So we'll have our scallop circle, and the eye is very small. I'm going to actually try to grab it before there, right on the end of my Take Your Pick tool. I love this tool. It's one of my favorite, and I use it a ton. I actually have 2 of them. All right, so there's that, and I think that's everything to cut out. So I think we did good there. I'm going to leave all these on here so I don't lose them. We are ready to, I need to punch out the little pieces, extra little pieces on the word here, and then we're going to set that aside for a few minutes. Isn't that cute? I love this stamp set so much. All right, so we're going to use some Memento Black. Already got it on my fingers. We're going to stamp our little cocktail glass here. I have dimensionals everywhere, the little backings. I'm going to stamp that in the center. And then we're going to use our little center to stamp the inside. So we're using the Mango Melody and the Melon Mambo. It does stain your stamps, but it does not make any difference in how this stamp stamps. So what I'm going to do is I'm just running this on the edge to pick up that, and then I don't want to mix my inks, so I'm just going to stamp that top part and just try not to get it mixed together. And then we're gonna, sorry if my head gets in the way, but I want to make sure this is on here. And there you go. Look how cute it is. It's got little ice cubes in it. It's really cute. So I am going to color the little umbrella with my blends. I'm going to use the light and dark Mango Melody for the little lemon here. And I'm using the blunt end for this because it's just better for this little space that this is. And then we're gonna, I'm using light Bermuda Bay for the little umbrella, but you can color, you know, however you like it. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of my Pool Party, to give it a little bit of shading there. Isn't that cute? This stamp set, I'm telling you, is so adorable. And one of our $1 Million Achievers created this stamp set. All right, so now we are ready. We're going to pop this up. We're using a lot of dimensionals on this card because you want it to pop up through the window. So I am putting 4 on the, oh, I forgot to put my little sparkles on it. I think these little sparkles, they're kind of like little sparkles. They make it so retro looking, and I love that about it. I really like the retro look. So we're just gonna put some of these. Just a few. And I'm using the Melamambo for that. Now we're ready to put it on. Now you see why I have all these backings everywhere. Because I've been making a ton of these cards. They're so fun. Alright, so that's ready to go, but we're not ready to put it on yet. So let's do our little front piece here. So we need our Memento Black here. And I'm just going to do the Today Is A. And I'm going to do it in this top corner here. And then I am going to grab my little tweezers here, because this is the easiest way, and I'm using some of my wet glue. And don't forget, we have our little eye still on my little take your pick tool there. So you want to be sure this is all going to fit. So that's why I went ahead and put this on first, and then we're going to do Kind of Day at the bottom. And again, sorry if my head gets in the way, because it's really hard not to get on this one to get your head in the way. So I'm going to grab my take your pick tool. I'm going to put a little bit on that little eye there, and we're going to put that here. It's hard for me to pick up too. There we go. Isn't that cute? Alright, so let's get our card back in here. We're going to put this on the front. So I'm going to use my snail again. Not my snail, but my Stampin' Seal. I'm going to put that on the front. Make sure I got that straight. We're going to put more dimensionals on the back here. And I am going to use my adhesive and put this piece in first. And this is going on the inside of our card, because it is kind of a little bit plain looking on the inside. We're going to put our sentiment, which I didn't grab the sentiment, but let's go ahead and grab one. And let's do the adult, because adulting is hard. I think that's so perfect for this with the cocktails. And again, I'm going to use basic black. And my Memento ink. And be very careful. I got my first one really crooked, so I'm going to try to be better at it this time. You can center it, or you can put it to the side like I did here. And then to put this on the inside, you're just going to close up your card so you can line it up just where you want it. And you're going to put that in the inside. And when you have it closed, it pops up outside of that. So there you go. Isn't it cute? I think these cards are super cute, and you can see it does not take a whole lot of time, and I thought they'd be super cute for a little gift set. I may go ahead and make a box and get these ready for one of my friends or something for their birthday. I think it would be really cute. So there's all of them. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. This is my June hostess code. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. My goal is now 50,000 subscribers. So let's get it done. And I will do another giveaway when we get there. All right, everyone. Have a blessed one. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.